Yeah, hi friends. So just sharing with you. So I'm preparing pork. See, it is already boiled and kept, and then I've got my 2 tablespoons of the 2.5 tablespoons of 2.5 teaspoons of garlic paste, and my phone went off, so to do it again, and two teaspoons of ginger paste, and here you can see I'm browning the onions. See here. I'm browning the onions. So in the onions, I had put the garam masala. Then I put some bay leaves, about 2 bay leaves, about 8 9 peppercorns. Here, the friends, and I put this thing, cinnamon stick, 2 cinnamon stick, 2 big elaichi which I smashed and put, 1 small elaichi, and peppercorns, yeah, and this thing, and 5 6 cloves I put, yeah. That's all I put here. And I'm just frying the onions to be absolutely brown. Yeah, so now I'm just sharing with you. My phone got cut off, that's why I had to just do it again. Yeah, just sharing with you, okay? So now I've got all it is frying here. Like I told you what I got, what I put inside. And after I put it in the hot oil, not very hot, normal oil, and then when you get the aroma of the dry spice, yeah, the dalchini and lavang and all, and you get that thing, and then you put in your onions. Yeah, so I'm frying the onions to be nice and brown. In the meantime, I've boiled the pork. If you want to raw pork, will take some time. Yeah, whatever meat you want. This is vindaloo I'm preparing. Yeah. So here I've got 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of 2/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, strong chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, yeah, and I put mustard powder, 1 teaspoon I ground and put here, and some soft I put here, a little bit of sugar. Always put sugar, so this is the bring of the flavor. And I told you I have 2.5 teaspoon of garlic and 2 teaspoons of ginger. And I've got my vinegar here. I put 1 spoon of this, yeah. Just be careful it doesn't burn. So 1 spoon of this, and you check it out. And I've got 1.5 glass of water. So if you have the liquid of this, then you use the liquid of this. Yeah. So now I'm making the stove slow, and I'll add the ginger garlic paste first. Yeah? Like this. So add the ginger garlic paste. Put a little bit of water. So I'll add the ginger garlic paste and let it fry nicely. Now the onions are fried, so you fry it nicely. Yeah? Don't be in a hurry. Just fry it nicely. And like I told you what I had, yeah, all 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. And if you want, you can also grind the onions with the whole spices, yeah. That also can be. That's a different way I do. It's another different way I do. But I put here a little bit of salt, yeah, it's good. That's buddy anise seeds. Then I have to fry this nicely. Fry this, it has to be nice and brown. And the oil has to come out. And here I'm not putting salt, so I'll start putting in salt. Not now, but when I put the masala. Yeah? So now the meat is cooked. If you want to use raw meat, you can use raw meat. Yeah, this is pork meat. So now I have to fry it with masala. So like I said, I've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder, strong, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of brown mustard, half teaspoon of soft or anise powder, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, a little bit of 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and now salt I'll put afterwards. So I'm now just frying it. Let the oil come out. Yeah? The oil will come. Just sharing with my phone, it was too full also, and I got the card, but I was not able to record. So I took another phone. Yeah? Just sharing with you. More later, I'll share with you. Yeah? Just not this. I could still go to the park to meet my Bindu and all the friends. I've been the time for 2 days. You know, they have been coming and calling out, so I'm just not feeling too well also. Then I'm feeling better now, I was not feeling well. So now see, I'm frying and the oil is releasing. Let the oil release. See friends, the oil is fry. Just keep on stirring. Just keep on stirring. So let it become nice and brown. It has to be brown color, yeah? Nice and brown. So the onions are not raw, because otherwise you can grind the onions. But when you grind the onions, you have to fry it very well. So better to do it this way. If you want, you fry it like this and then you can grind it when it is cool. Yeah? However you like it, you can do it that way. But I am not grinding it, so if you like to grind it, you can grind it. It's not going on the fire. So let it fry. The oil is releasing. This will become nice and brown. Yeah? Just sharing it. So now it's become nice and brown. Let it become. The oil has come out nicely. So I will just take a water just spoon so this fried well as well. Yeah, so some of the onions are stuck here. So just fry. Fry for about 2-3 minutes. It's just getting ready. Yeah, nice. It's getting brown. Always fry the onions and all it get brown. Especially making meat stuff, yeah? Not veg. Nice aroma is coming. The aroma comes from